Sammy, do you want to paint your nails?
Yes.
What color do you want?
Red.
Red?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's try. You ready? Did Mommy paint her nails?
Yeah.
Daddy better put this down.
And this here.
Here we go. Good job. Is that what you want? This one?
Yeah.
And this one? Good job. Let's get your other foot. You ready? Hold on.
A feet. A feet. A feet. No.
Your toes? Where's your toes?
I don't know. I don't know.
Do you want to blow on them?
Yeah.
All done.